Hey amigos, my name is Pam. Welcome to another vegan recipe on Latina Life. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make vegan cornbread. Yum! So first we're going to start with the dry ingredients. You're going to use 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Then to that you're going to add your wet ingredients, which are 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. I melt mine on the stovetop and then I add it in. And 1 1/3 cups of non-dairy milk. I like using oat milk at home, but you can use any kind of milk. Then you're gonna blend all those ingredients together. You can also add some corn kernels. It's optional, but it creates a really nice texture for your cornbread. Then you're gonna grease your pans. You can either bake it in the loaf pan and make like a pound cake kind of thing, or you can make them in muffin trays and make cute little cornbread muffins. They're great to go on top of any meal. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees and you're gonna cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown around the edges. And that's it, you guys. You can top them with some vegan melted butter on top if you'd like. Add them to any dish for a nice sweet and savory taste with your meals. And bon appetit, enjoy.